Hi all, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today is a great day for me because today I will be going to talk about the most important thing that very few people understand and most of the people lack. Can you all guess what is that thing, friend? What is that thing which if you don't inculcate in your life, it will change your life drastically? Because changing life doesn't mean that it will go only in the right direction. Changing your life means if it can go backwards as well. Okay, so what is that one thing that you should implement in your life so that your life will change? Okay, slowly it will change, but rather in a long period of time it will change drastically. So what is that one thing which one must understand in our life? We must think before doing or before acting anything. Okay, because any choice or any decision that we take in our life, it's all depending upon what is there in our subconscious mind. Okay, and that thing only helps us to think what action we need to take further, whether it is related to your career, whether it is related to your health, whether it is related to your relationship, anything. If you consider these things, are all concerned about only one thing which is there in your mind, and you are thinking based upon what is there in feeded in your mind. And how the things comes in your mind, it's all depending upon where you are living. Okay, so we should understand which type of friends you should make. Okay, and those friends are not that friends should not directly impact your life negatively. Okay, because there are a lot of people surrounding you and we must choose our friends wisely. If you don't choose your friend wisely, no, then if they will not be changing because of your positive image, then you may change because of their negative image. So that thing is very much useful thing to understand. If you don't understand these things, then in a short period of time or maybe over a longer period of time, your character and your nurturing, your nature, everything may change, because you are the average of 5 people you are surrounded with. So we must understand what type of people you are surrounded with. Okay, if you are not surrounded with intelligent wisdom people and those who understand life and those who understand what is close to their heart, those who don't have dreams, those who don't have their goals, and those who always criticize or condemn people, if you put those type of people within your surroundings, then what will happen? Your mindset will be disturbed. Maybe you were positive, maybe you were not doing any complaining or criticism. Then if you fall under the image of those people, if you fall under the shadow of those people, then your mindset will also be slowly deteriorating. So this is the most important thing that I will be talking about today is, don't criticize or condemn anybody. Okay, any situation it might be, we should not do those things. Okay, so one study I will tell you, one research was done on apes. Okay, on monkeys, one small research was done. So there were two monkeys which were kept, the scientists were experimenting on that two monkeys. Okay, so what he did, like, he two monkeys were very small, very sweet. Okay, so scientist was thinking whether I should do an experiment on him or not, because they were looking very cute. If something will happen to him, then I will be feeling guilty of my deeds. Then he thought, like, if we want to change the mindset of human being, then I have to do this research, because this research is very much important for me. Okay, so what he did, like, he did means there were two apes. Okay, those apes were given some task to perform. Okay, so that two apes were did their task, because any type of task the scientist has given to him for researching purpose. So to one ape, what he did, he had rewarded that ape, telling that, take these two bananas, because you have been rewarded for all the good work which you did. I congratulate you, because you did a good job. You did the one of the best task, one of the difficult and challenging task you did for us. Okay, so I will be giving you these two bananas as a reward, and you should do this, like, you should work like this only ahead. Okay, and this is the small changes which you have to do. If you do this, then you can do much better. Okay, so that ape was gone and he again started working. Okay, and the second ape, that scientist did, that second ape, he was just punishing. He's just beaten him. Okay, so, that not too hard, but he just beaten him, and he's just punishing him, criticizing that ape and telling that you didn't did your work properly. Why you did like this? You don't work properly. Your way of doing is not good. You should do this. You should do that. All sort of thing. He didn't rewarded him for all the right deeds. He just punishing that ape. Okay, just keep on doing the same thing. Why you did like this? Why you did like that? And that ape got demotivated. Okay, just like human beings do. If we keep on criticizing and condemning people, the human beings are like, they are driven by emotions, they are not driven by logic. Okay, this is a very much important thing that you must understand. Human beings are driven by emotions. Human beings are not driven by logic. Okay, so same happens with the ape as well, because we have come from ape family only, right? So that ape which was criticized or condemned, that ape didn't work. That ape got demotivated. Okay, that ape didn't able to perform well in the future as well, in the next task as well, or he didn't able to perform because he was in fear that he will be able to do it properly or not. Okay, but that ape which was rewarded with two bananas, that ape which was not criticized, which were he was very happy that he has got two bananas for all the good deeds that he did. So as a result, he performed very well. Okay, so scientists understand the same thing happens with human beings as well. Okay, because as apes are driven by emotions and not logic, similarly human beings are also driven by emotions and not logic. So this is the very much important. We must understand that we must think what we are doing. Okay, if we are criticizing others, then others will also not stop. Others will not think like you criticize because you think like that. No, the others will think that why did he criticize me? If he will criticize me, I will also criticize him or her. Okay, so there is a clash. The clash will happen between the two. Okay, and that two thing you can relate with whatever thing you may come across. Maybe your family members, maybe your relatives, maybe neighbors, maybe your parents. Okay, maybe your friends, anything it might be. Okay, the class can happen in anything within any family members. So this is the very much important thing that one must understand, that we should not criticize, because other person will not understand under what circumstances you criticize that person. Okay, the other person will only think that he is bad because he only takes the bad things from me. He is not thinking about what good things I did. Okay, so he will take it in a very wrong way. Okay, the other person will think like he is not good. Yeah, he always do criticism, he always try to demotivate people. What if he find a proper solution to any problem, any challenging task, then also he will find this problem in that solution as well. Okay, so he is very negative kind of person because he always do criticism and complain as well. Okay, then what will happen? That person will remain isolated. That person will not be surrounded with fully energetic and motivated people, because that person himself is negative and nobody tries to go around the negative people. Okay, we must try to understand, people always try to go towards that person who is very positive, very energetic, and who is a dreamer, who want to do something in their life. And people want to go to that people as well. People don't want to go to that people who is very negative, who is very demotivated, who doesn't have any dream, who has no goals in their life, who is just going on and on in life, who is just wasting their time like that. Okay, people don't go to those person. So be like a person, be like a charismatic person that everybody should think about, that I want to be like that. Okay, you should be a unique person. Okay, because you are unique, you are different. No two persons are same in this universe, in this world. Every people is different, every people has some pros and some cons. Nobody is perfect in everything. So we must understand this thing, that we should not criticize. Maybe that other person was in wrong circumstances, that other person was facing lot of difficulties, or the situation was not good, or it was not favoring in their way. So that's why he said something like that. Maybe it will happen, or maybe it is the opposite case. It can happen. So without understanding their point of view, we can't judge that he is like that or she is like that. Okay, so this is very much important that I want to tell you all. This is the moral that for today from the famous book. That book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. Okay, so the chapter 1 of How to Win Friends and Influence People based on this only. We should not criticize, we should not condemn, and we should understand the other person's point of view as well, because people are driven by emotions, people are not driven by logic. Okay, so we should understand, one must understand these things, that if you think like logically, that if you tell like that he will understand and he will behave properly, no. People are always driven by emotions. If you just hit them hard by telling, even if it is good for them, he will just revert it in opposite way, and there is a clash may happen between the two. So this is the very much important thing. Okay, so this the Dale Carnegie is a very good speaker. He is a public speaker as well, and he understands life very closely. So we must understand, we must try to take lessons from those people who has got success in their life, who has gone through this all failures and understood that these are the stepping stones. We must take lessons from it, and we must understand, and we should increase our wisdom. If you can increase your wisdom, then slowly your life will change. And if you can change your life 1% every day, then just think, if you just increase it 1% every day, then over a span of 1 year, your total lifespan will be changed by how much percent? 365%. Just think, in 1 year your life will be changed by 365%, and your life will be changed by 360 degree. Just think how your life will become if your life is changed by 360 degree. So implement these all things, and I will come in the next video telling about the next chapters of how to win friends and influence people. Thank you friends, I hope you all like this. Please like and subscribe my channel so that I will be feeling motivated that you like my video. Thank you.